What's going on, everybody? It's gonna be a short little episode of me and the homie riding through South Tacoma Way area. Gonna be showing you guys some cool views of the city, Tacoma, and the freeway. He's gonna be on his bike, I'm gonna be on my Onewheel. We'll see how this goes. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Chill. We got T's Mini. That thing packs a punch, y'all. Oh my gosh. Got the Onewheel. Got my boy T right here. We ready to go. Riding through the neighborhood.
So I'm here.
So y'all, we're linking up today. We're gonna go riding in the neighborhood for a little bit. And T's like, hey, ride the mini bike.
Got to.
Good thing I brought my helmet today. My boy T, one of my best friends in the PNW.
You feel me?
Come on, check the drip.
You feel me?
My
you know
goodness.
what I'm saying? You feel me? Hookah, man.
Ooh.
For the extra arch, bro.
Ooh.
Hookahs,
Come
man.
on.
You know what I'm saying? North Face shirt. You know what I'm saying?
Mm.
Champion bag my mama gave me a while back.
Oh, hell yeah.
T-shirt 3 for $12 at Target.
Come on.
You know what I'm talking about? Killing. Mini bike worth like $550. You know what I'm talking about? You feel me? Nice sunny day. Stanley and Seaford. We got the city behind us. It's somewhat, but hold on, this ain't nothing. Let's get this footage of me on this mini bike, man. Stop playing.
Cut this on.
Okay. Look at that. Man, what you think?
Man, this is the next fucking toy right here.
Okay.
Y'all.
Look at that.
God damn. I want one.
Okay.
All right, y'all. So that was a lot of fun. Definitely recommend a mini bike. Now we're gonna get T
Okay.
on the Onewheel.
Okay now. Hold on. What
A little swap and play.
Okay. There you go, y'all. Stop playing,
Let's
man.
go, T. My boy.
Okay. You know what I'm saying? Shoes is gigantic. Okay. Stop playing. Oh, okay. They don't know. Here we go. Oh, balance now.
Come on.
You gotta find your balance. Find balance.
My boy Zen and
Find
out.
balance in everything you do. You feel me? Oh, here we go. Now I might not be able to swoop around like Niche them do.
Got it.
Hold on now.
Yee. Yee. Got him. Ooh.
Okay. What they said 5.
Let's
They
go.
said 5. Balance me. Ooh. I ain't no pro now.
Look at these calves.
Ooh. Ooh.
Man.
Ooh. Let's jump on the road.
All right, we ready to roll. All right, I'm gonna follow you.
Okay. All right.
Let's go. It is hot, it is live, and we are direct.
Right here now.
As
You
T
know
would
what I'm talking about? Hey, we live, man. You feel me? Out here chilling, man. Beach came out today. He let me ride the Onewheel. That was super, super dope for him, man. I'm so excited. The day is still young, man. The sun is up. There's no clouds in the sky. You understand me?
It's straight blue.
Ain't no clouds in the sky, y'all. We out here for real. You know what I'm talking about? Link up with folks, man. Enjoy that time. Link up with people. Enjoy that time. It's so dope, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out. My girl just dipped, so she'll be gone for a couple days. At the house, sad like a mug, goddamn. That bed gonna be cold as hell, goddamn.
Come on.
In the dome.
Bro. Come on, guys. Come on.
You see the dome over there?
Oh. back last year September.
All right, it's bumping right here, man.
Oh, right here. Let's go. Woo! Oh, this is a dope little spot, T. Sliding through the gravel. That was crazy. That was a lot of fun. Gotta get my wheel changed though. My buddy Nate, shout out to Nate. Nathaniel McLeod. He's a dope guy. He hooked it up with the one wheel. Part of the Flux Movement gang. Trying to get some merch myself. Very soon, Nate, I promise. Cafe La Vie. T, thank you so
Cafe La Vie,
much.
man. Absolutely. This is my first time here too, bro.
Come on.
My doctor is right over the street. My doctor is right across the street over here. When I pass by all the time looking for parking, of course, you guys, if you know the area, in the Lincoln district, there's no parking nowhere, never in sight. And I always pass by, but why not try with your best friend, man? Super dope.
Come on.
Yep. And tell us what you got right here.
I got the strawberry bubble tea with the jelly. He was like, "You want the jelly?" I said, "Sure, let's go with the jelly."
With the jelly. Come on, man. Strawberry bubble tea in that thing.
And T, what you got?
Yes,
over
absolutely. Got a little energy drink.
Ooh.
It. You know what? I'm not saying anything crazy about it. It tastes like a flat Red Bull.
Yeah, actually.
It tastes like a flat Red Bull. It's like a Red Bull without the bubbles in it. No, none of that. You know what I'm saying? None of that.
The sparkle is
None
not
of,
there.
I'm talking about like I am not popping. Okay.
Oh my god. Wow.
With the jelly.
With the jelly. Oh my.
With the jelly.
Whew, y'all. That was a lot of fun. That was a much needed hanging out time with the homie. My goodness, man. That last bit though, coming back, it was on the gravel road. I had a feeling that I was gonna eat shit today on that gravel road, and I did. I'm gonna go patch this up, go home, kick it with the boy. Probably go to the beach or the park today. But thank you very much for riding along with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and spread the good word.